So today I'm going to showcase to you why this dishwash bar it can be so effective and powerful. Because it's made of just natural ingredients that we get from the earth. So it's made of tamarind. Tamarind we typically use it to give us the sheen. And it has the most powerful and the deadliest herb, or I would say berry, called shikakai. So shikakai is typically a fruit that grows on trees, and we have used it to cleanse our hair because of its antifungal, antibacterial, and cleansing. So what happens if you use shikakai on dishes? And we will see that. So today I want to do a small experiment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to showcase to you how effective this shikakai is in taking away the grease and grime. So this is mustard oil. So I'm going to drench my hands with this mustard oil, and I'm going to use shikakai powder to remove it. Let's see how long it takes. And I'm going to do the same experiment with soap and water, and let's see how long that takes. And does it actually take the grease and grime effectively? So this is 100% shikakai powder. I'm going to be using this to help us clean my hands and the pots. Okay, so look at my hands. That's so sticky, and that's a lot of oil, guys. Now I'm going to use shikakai powder to try and remove this. So this is my shikakai powder paste. I'm just going to take a teeny bit. I think this should be more than enough. Okay, so I'm running. Okay, I'm going to sing a song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to do-da. Happy birthday to you. Okay, so I think this is good now. I'm going to rinse off my hands. Let's see what happens. So that's clean. That was like 10 seconds or probably less than that. And literally my hands are clean. Now let's do the same experiment with soap and water. Okay, so now for the soap and water. So my hands are sticky. Here we go. I'm going to take a little bit of soap. This is a commercial soap that we get in the store. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, da da da. Happy birthday to you. Okay, I'm going to try rinsing off. So you see, I still have so much oil. Looks like I might need to use soap again. So we do one more round of soap and water. Okay, so now let me rinse it off. So that was like 2 rounds of soap and water. And do I still feel it's gone? Kind of, but I still feel